Hey everyone! So, you're thinking about becoming a Shutterstock contributor? Today, I'm walking you through a step-by-step guide to get you started and set up for success. Ready? Let's dive in. First, head over to the Shutterstock contributor page and hit that big Get Started button. Fill out the registration form, agree to the terms and policies, and click Get Started again. Check your email for a verification link, click it, and then provide your residential address. Boom! You're in. Now, you'll see a welcome box with options to either upload content or go to your dashboard. Click Dashboard to get a full overview. Here, you can track the status of your uploads, whether they're pending, reviewed, or approved. Plus, you can organize your collections like photos of vegetables or street views. Your dashboard is your control center. You'll find tabs for earnings, your portfolio, and account settings. Speaking of which, let's talk payments. Shutterstock offers 3 methods: Payoneer, Skrill, and PayPal. You can set a minimum payout, typically around $25. Don't forget to fill out the W-8 Ben form if you're a non-US contributor to get your payouts. Next, let's upload some content. Go to the Submit Content section and hit the Upload button. Make sure your files meet these requirements. Photos and illustrations should be JPEGs with at least 4 megapixels. Videos should be MOV or MP4 files between 5 and 60 seconds long. Vectors should be EPS files compatible with Illustrator version 8 or 10. After uploading, add detailed descriptions and relevant keywords. Remember, good keyword research is key for visibility. Use tools like Google Trends for this. Got identifiable people or private property in your content? You'll need model or property releases. Fill these out in the Releases section. Once submitted, your content goes through a review process that typically takes about 5 days. You'll get notified if it's approved or rejected. Learn from any rejections to improve future submissions. Now, a few tips for success. Upload high-quality, relevant content. Stay updated on trends using Google Trends and Shutterstock's Insights tab. Always do thorough keyword research. And don't forget to check out Shutterstock Custom for additional earning opportunities through brand assignments. Alright, there you have it. Your roadmap to becoming a successful Shutterstock contributor. Click the link in the description to get started today. Happy uploading!